And here we go on the train at this Edmonton Valley Zoo, Storyland Valley Zoo. I don't think it's called that anymore. Edmonton Valley Zoo, that's what they call it.
I see those things.
Oh, well, those are ostriches. Wow. That was so cool.
What else do we gotta see?
What else are we gonna see? I don't know.
I saw something. I saw.
Oh, this is a little farm here.
Over here.
Yeah, we're gonna come here and this is where you can pet the animals. I'm not sure. It doesn't look very open right now though. They might have. Oh, they moved the petting zoo. This used to be the petting zoo, but they've moved it.
Where's the penguin?
Yeah, no, they moved it to that new building there. I forgot. Yeah, things were much different when I was a little girl, Julia. Oh wow, this place was so cool.
I can remember going there.
You remember going here?
I don't know what we're going to see next.
Oh my god. I feel like we're gonna like fall off of the trucks.
Yeah, me too. Wow.
Wonder what's in there. Oh, it's a little bird of some. Oh, there it is up there in the cage. I saw him. Well, this isn't really the exciting. Like, oh yeah, back of a building. Oh, look at these, Julia. Cool. I wonder what those are. Those are neat looking animals.
I think that's fun. This is where we started.
I think this is where the red pandas are, but I'm not really sure. The fence is electrified. Oh my goodness. I think this is where the red pandas are supposed to be. Want to sit beside me? Sure, of course, come sit beside mommy.
Ah! Turn. I don't know where we're going next.
No, we don't know where we're going next.
Where are we going?
Hopefully we're not going back. Oh, we're going back behind the building.
Back behind the building.
Yeah.
I think the word pandas back there. Oh, I saw something.
Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Well, they're excited about something.
I think they're weird.
Yeah, it's kind of a freaky sound, isn't it? See, and then the bird is right up there on the top of the cage. You see him? You see him?
Yeah. I wanted you to take a picture of those things here.
Well, I'm taking a video, so you can look at this on YouTube after. Mommy put it on your YouTube channel, and then you'll be able to watch this again, okay?
My YouTube channel?
Yep. My mommy has a YouTube channel, and it has all your videos on it. And you can look at them whenever you want.
Ah!
I've been doing it since you were a little baby, so they're all there, all for you to see.
When I was a baby,
Yeah.
Oh, that used to be where the petting zoo used to be. That used to be the petting zoo. That used to be the petting zoo.
Yes, that used to be the petting zoo when Mommy was a little girl. And when I brought Seiji and you hear that, there's a petting zoo there. They've moved it now. Here, and there's no point in keeping this on. Oh wait, the ostriches. Yeah, there is. Look at the ostrich.
Where is he?
Right here. There he is. Isn't he cool?
You took a
Yeah. No, I just took a video. But we can go back and take a picture.